Hey folks, Dave Wanders here, doing it again. Wandering around on the old KLR. Man, did I find a beautiful spot here. Got the Catalinas in the background with a lot of snow on them. And we got the Girliamos, I believe that's how you say it, Girliamos, on the north side. That snow is all melted. So we're on here. This is camp for today. I believe I'm the only person here. Got a regulation fire pit ready to go. The Rincons in the distance, they've got a fair amount of snow too. We've had a good dump this year, which is going to be great for our reservoirs, and our groundwater in Tucson's going to fill up probably. And well, we're pretty full now. They say Tucson has 100 years of reserve water underneath the city. So when everybody else is dried up, we still have water. Oh, I see an old, looks like an old windmill over there. This might have been some ranch land once upon a time. Might be still. There is a fence here. More than likely that's private. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands. You see 5 strands of barbed wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want to mess with that guy. He is serious about trespassing. Yeah, there's a windmill over there. The other side of that Ocotillo. Well, today's topic is moto camping, cooking. So we'll do some moto cooking and camping. I've got some pretty good ingredients. You don't have to eat mountain house, dried up, nasty, freeze-dried hiking food with 4 million milligrams of sodium in it, and who knows what else is in there. I do carry one just in case. It's survival food, definitely. I've had my share of them. It's probably why I've got a problem with my high blood pressure, but it's under control. I don't eat any of that stuff anymore. Of course, when you get old, you can't eat anything anyway. If it tastes good, not for you. Nope. Doctor says, nope, you can't have it. So you got to eat all that other stuff. Anyway, come along with me today. We're going to have some camp cooking on the moto. All right, well, we're getting camp set up. I've got my solar charger. I don't know if you can see it. It's connected to the phone. It's a little Gold Zero charger. I think it's like 5 watts maybe. Does a good job. All right, well, we got camp going up here. Show you what we got. If you're ever out in the desert and you can't find any trees, there's very little trees. You know, you maybe have some mesquites now and then, but I've got nothing. I got Ocotillo. So if you got a small tarp and plenty of paracord, you can go off of these Ocotillos. Right now I'm facing the north. So you always want your west side to dip down a little bit. There's your sun right there. That would be due west right there. Of course, north is up that way. And yourself without shade. And you want to, I mean, it's late February and it's already a little bit hot. The sun has got some heat to it. I forgot my sunscreen and I burn easy. Get that shade on me. Anyway, we're going to get lunch going. All right. This is my little moto camp. What more do you need? Got the Optimus stove, a little bit of gas. What's on the menu, you might ask? I'm thinking chicken burrito. We eat a lot of Mexican down here in southern Arizona, all of Arizona, all the Southwest, everybody eats it. So we're gonna make some chicken burrito. Just a beautiful day today, God's creation. Man, I'm not ready for summer. Seems like this winter went by in a flash. We waited and waited and waited for the Desert Adventures in Arizona meetup. And then once that came, we had a blast. But now, I think the heat's coming already. I looked at Ironwood's going to be close to 80 today. Where I'm at is about 73. I'm about 3,800 feet here. What are we missing? Oh, I gotta get my frying pan. That was a good stretch. I'll be back. I'll show you my kitchen setup. Oh, there's an acapulco over there with a bloom on it. Nice. That's the prettiest orange bloom. All right. This is my kitchen setup. I actually found this. I found this in a fire pit. All stainless steel. It was buried in a fire pit. There's your plate, pot, and a skillet. Stainless. It's thin, but boy, does it cook hot. I don't think we need the pot today. We might have some tea later. Didn't have a lid on it. So Badge, if you're watching, you'd like that. You appreciate that. That's a stainless screw, stainless nut with some clear hose. Gives me a nice place to grab it without burning my fingers. I got a little bit of a Choctaw Indian in me. Not exactly sure what I said. Where we at? Let's get you a little closer here. can't see a darn thing. Am I in there? No, I'm not. Oh, I don't know how you real YouTubers do it. It's too much work. Trying to get everything just right. Hang on, shaking you up a little bit here. Oh, face plant. Oh, down you went. Face plant. Planted my solar panel. Let's get this solar panel over here. There we go. Can you see me now? I have no idea. Nope. Oh, Lordy. Up we go. Let's adjust you back a little. I would edit this out of here, but I'm too lazy, so you guys can just watch me suffer. Alright, I think I see you now. Darn sun's right on you. Probably getting that phone hot. Woo! Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so this is pretty awesome. Price was right. Buried in a fire pit. Let's see what we got for food. We got some olive oil. Oh, another pro tip. Most of y'all know this. Put everything in a baggie. If you're worried about it spilling, I mean, this is Tupperware. I still don't trust it. Put everything in your pouch so the wind doesn't blow it away. We get dust devils around here. I mean, it's still right now. We'll get a dust devil, take all this away. I'll be sitting here holding on to my frying pan and my tarp will be gone. Oh, everything else will be gone. I've had it happen. All right, whose hair? Somebody's shedding. Not me, it can't be me. Man, I need a drink. I just got this thing from Walmart. I think it's 60 some ounces. $64 ounces, I think. I'm not sure. So, today is chicken burrito. Put a little water in there. Put a little olive oil. I know, I'm a slob. I had a napkin somewhere. Oh, so this thing is a dry bag, and I use it as a cooler. Uh-oh, there's my napkin. I've got a roll of paper towels, but we'll put our apple and stuff over there. By the way, I'm camping on the side of a hill. Water runs off that way. Orange. That's for dessert. I use this as a cooler, ice chest. Frozen bottle of water. When that melts, you've got more water to drink. We've got green chilies, We've got organic chicken thigh, a couple taco shells, pre-cut peppers and onions, and a lime. Cheese. I've got everything on there. Let's keep this in here, keep it cold, because we got to keep the cheese cold, take it home. Let's get our oil hot. I didn't bring my wind block. Woo! Thing about this thing, it gets hot quick. Yeah, I need a wind block. Mix water and oil, you're gonna have some popping. Let's get our veggies in. Guess I could have done it in the pot, huh? I could do it in the pot. Woo, will smell good. I forgot my glove for my plate. Let's do it in the pot. That'd be easier, because I got a lid for that. Oh yeah. Whoa, not cool. Not cool. That handle will get hot as can be. Oh yeah. Where's my doggone utensils at? Where's my utensils? Oh, they're over there. Let those simmer a bit. cooking. Did y'all watch my veggies while I was gone? Look what we got. Wind block. Don't really need it now. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Who knows? All right. One thing about Arizona, we don't have a lot of ants. I was telling some people at Steve's meetup, if you got ants in your camp, put a banana peel around the hole. Maybe leave a little banana on it, and they won't leave that hole. They got everything they need. Fire almost went out. All right. Couple chicken thighs. What you do is you break them up in your bag. You don't have to cut anything. You don't need a cutting board. Nothing gets dirty. Woo! Too much fire. The only problem with these hiking stoves, you can't really regulate the heat that well. Looking good down there. I'm low on battery, so I got to keep you over there charging on the solar panel. I thought I was charging all the way here, but I think the plug's backed out of the motorcycle a little. Oh boy. Need a little more oil. Just about got our chicken ready. Make it pretty small. You're gonna put it in some soft tacos. Dump that in. Always put a rock on every bag in the desert, because it'll blow away. Woo, looking good. We gotta get our green chilies in there. Man. Where is our green chilies? Where are you? Chilies. So I think we got a camper coming. Where is my green chilies at? Lost them. Oh, there they are. Dadgummit. Howdy. Man, that is looking good. Salt and pepper. I didn't bring any hot sauce. I do have some lime. We'll squeeze a little lime on it. I throw the whole rind in there. Let that rind cook in there. And whoa, whoa, whoa! We are looking good. So we got our chicken in. We got our bell pepper, onion, green chili. At the very end, we're going to slice us some cheese and put that on our tortilla, and we're going to have some tacos. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, this is living in the desert. Well, I believe our tortilla filler is done. Let's see what we got here. Can't see me. Camera's too low. All right. Let's get some cheese on our tortillas. Yeah, you can't do this in the summertime. All this stuff would be so hot. All right, let's get our let's get our mixture on there. Man, that turned out good. I'll show you, don't worry. Get that lime out of there. Oh, man. Oh. No mountain house for me. Leave your juice down in there because your tacos will be too wet. Man. Get some chilies. You talk about good eating here. Man, I love this little cook set I found. All stainless. It was probably very expensive. All right. Let's bring you over here. Now I'll show you what we got. You can stay there. Can you see it? That is lunch. Oh man, does it smell good. I'm sorry I didn't bring enough for you. I mean, if you were here, I'd share with you. Whatever I got, you could have. All right. Thank you, Lord, for these tacos. A little more lime. This is regulation Mexican here. It's not Taco Bell. I'm starting to attract bees. Woo! Look at that. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Them are some good tacos. ¿Qué pasó? You got some tacos? Yes, I got tacos, man. They are good. Very good. Had to get me a wet wipe because they are messy. Yes, I even have wet wipes. I got everything on this camp out. And hallelujah, they are wet. Usually they dry out on me. All you gotta do is add a little water to the package and you're good. Oh, Lordy. Man, these are some good tacos. Mm. What makes them good is green chilies. Mm. You gotta have green chili. And if you can get hatch chilies, they're even the best. They are the best. Second most important ingredient in tacos is lime. You mix chilies and lime together. Some people say you gotta have some tequila. You're doing it. You are doing it. Well, my tent's working good. I've got a little sail going on. I specifically pointed it this way on purpose because the wind's coming out of the north, kind of northwest a little. So it's billowing up, making a nice shade. And then I got the headroom now. I think this one is I think it's a 7x5 maybe. I don't think it's 8. 8x6 maybe. That's all you need. This area, not a lot of people come out here. Number one, it's a rough road, a lot of rock. KLR had a little difficulty, but not bad. I saw one camper out here. He had a Jeep. That's it. So I'm by myself. He's about 3 miles down there. Well, hope you enjoyed having lunch with me. Sorry you didn't get to try my tacos. If you're ever camping with me, stop by and say, Dave, make me some tacos, and I will do it. God bless you. See you down the road.